Ready for shorthand dictation 5 seconds. Start. I am directed to address on the subject noted above and to say that of late the government has been receiving an increasing number of requests from all categories of officers and officials who return to duty after serious illness for postings on light duty assignment stop. However, it has been found that it is generally very difficult to accept all such requests while it may be necessary for every such officer and officials to have proper rest after a serious illness. The government is also justified in expecting that on resumption of duty the officer and official should be fit to shoulder the full responsibilities of the post he takes over. Stop. As will be appreciated, it is very difficult for government to find light duty posts or sinecures for its employees, especially in the present day context. Stop when on account of the needs of heavy development work all round every officer and official is required to put in his very best with hard work. Stop para. Accordingly, in order to deal with all such cases suitably, government desire that the relevant provisions of the existing civil services rules should be used carefully for giving adequate relief to such officers and officials concerned, as well as for safeguarding the government and public interest in the matter of maintaining proper efficiency. Stop. Rule 8 of the Punjab Civil Services Rules, Volume 1, clearly lays down that when a gazetted officer resumes duty after sick leave of more than 3 months, he should produce a medical certificate of fitness from a medical board, and in case the leave is less than 3 months, such certificate should be from a civil surgeon. Stop. Similarly, in the case of non gazetted employees, they have to produce a certificate from a registered medical practitioner. Stop. The appointing authorities are also competent to require a government employees under Rule 3 of the Punjab CSR Volume 1 to appear before a medical board for medical examination whenever the appointing authority has reason to believe that the government employee is not physically fit to carry out his duties satisfactorily. Stop. Rule 5 of the Punjab Civil Services Volume 2 further provides that government employees can be retired or put on invalid pension on certain grounds as mentioned in the rule. Stop. These instructions may also be brought to the notice of subordinate officers for guidance. Stop. Please acknowledge receipt. Stop. Para. So many teachers teach us. Stop. We may respect all of them, but it is not necessary that we like them also. Stop. It is but natural to have a particular liking for a certain teacher. Stop. I have liked my physics teacher most. Stop. Para. The physics teacher is a master of his subject and has a clear idea of the topics he is teaching. Stop. He does not believe in making a show of his knowledge and does not teach above the heads of the students. Stop. He teaches beautifully. Stop. Then he has so many homely examples to give almost on every point. Stop. Though he teaches a subject like physics, yet it appears as if he were teaching a novel stop. He is a punctual and regular stop. He teaches regularly and tests regularly, and that is why his results are very brilliant every year. Stop. Para. He knows everything about something and something about everything. Stop. Of course, he is thorough in his knowledge of physics, but at the same time, he has a good knowledge of many other subjects also and is always upon the mark in the current topic. Stop. Many times, when the students are not in a mood to study, he gives them a lecture on some general subject. Stop. Para. He is very friendly with the students, though he is a great disciplinarian. Also, stop. He never punishes the students but makes them feel ashamed if they have done something wrong. Stop. He commands love and respect without being strict. Stop. Para. He keeps a keen eye on the activities of the students. Stop. Only the other day he happened to hear a student abusing a man in a vulgar way in the bazaar. Stop. The next day he called him and warned him against this bad habit. He knows not only where a student stands in studies but also where a student stands in character and behavior. Stop. He is ready to help the students both in and out of the class. Stop. His help is not limited to studies. Stop. He helps the students in their private problems also. Stop. Students have so much confidence in him that they would tell even their most secret things to him and seek his guidance. Stop. I wish there were more teachers like our physics teacher. Stop. I pray his success in every field of life. Thank you.